Today is June the 12th, 2021. We're on a different trail today. We're still in Zion National Park. This is going to be our last hike in Zion here. So we're going down, and this one I've never hiked on, even though I was here one other time here, but moving down. Better watch where I'm going. This was a heron flying here, but missed it there. We're on this other trail here. It's a little bit different, so it's morning time. And we're still walking down here. A little breezy, but nice and warm out here in the sun, that's for sure. Zion Park. We're on a paved one, picking them up, putting them down, picking them up, putting them down here in the morning. And we're just going to go up here and meander down, enjoy the sights, then get to a point and turn around and come back, because then we're getting back in the vans and heading to north rim of the Grand Canyon. Okay, and lunch along the way too. Stopped along a little brook here. I don't know if this is the Virgin River or not, but a nice little spot. Trees and mountains in the background, as you can see. Nice little brook here, early morning in Zion National Park. We got people in back of me there, so pretty nice here. Okay, we're down here along the river. We got an old tree here. It's all gnarled up and twisted, and look at this guy here. He's all twisted and pieces have fallen down, yet there's still some growth up here on this tree. And yeah, still walking around. We got the bridge up there. See some bikers, bicycles, people walking and whatnot here. This tree is really taking a beating here, but still holding on to life here. Same with this other one back here. Look at this guy. He still got leaves on it. Hanging on. All twisted and gnarled up. Kind of like me here, maybe here. I don't know, but it's right down by the river, and there's the rest of our group down there. So we'll go back down with them. We're here with those trees, and we still got mountains up in the background there, and Zion National Park this morning. Very nice look here this morning here. Looking down. Here we go. Walking along the trail. There's some bike going by there. We're just taking this is a nice paved trail. We're going to go across this bridge here in a moment. See the bridge over there. There we go. All right. A little breezy now. This bridge here. We're going to look down the stream down there that we were just down, and there's a stream down there.
So this bridge right here is probably one of my favorite views in all of Zion, because you can look up both sides of the canyon along the Virgin River here.
Oh, this is the Virgin River.
Coming through, but it's a beautiful spot.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, that was our view.
So it's still the Virgin River?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
This is further downstream from where we were yesterday.
Back on the bridge here.
Only main river. There's forks of the Virgin River, like the tributaries. But this is, yeah.
There's the rest of our group there too. And we're still down the trail. The trail goes down here and around. I don't know how far we're going to go. You see bikes on the trail too. But yeah, beautiful morning here, a little breeze, and a good sun. A little hazy out there though, in the hills there. But yeah, looking very good here. We stopped to look at some flowers. Wind's picking up here in a couple spots, but here it is up here. Go up here, coming down the other side there. Well, we got the Cascades here. I'm trying to get down, get a little bit closer, and there they are with the still on the Virgin River, and some of the Cascades here coming on down. And this is our turnaround point where we're going to be heading back here pretty soon. So it was good on the river there. Very nice. Today's June 12th, 2021. We're still in Zion. It's still in the morning. I got the falls in back of me there, as you can probably see, hopefully. And we're going to head back to the van now and then head down to north rim of the Grand Canyon. So this is Ed Getley signing off as usual on Am One Man Travel. Okay, here's the falls back there. Hope you can see it. Good. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Because they got that algae in there.
Yep.
He could have the
Did you read the sign?
the muscle wasting
Okay.
disease.
All right, folks, let's head out.
All right, guy went in the water, but there's a sign that says toxic algae. We'll read about him on the news here, maybe. Okay, he went in there. And there's the little falls or rapids that we were just at. We're back on the bridge, heading back to the van now. So we're coming back on here. And here's the other side. And we're back on the bridge here. Bridge from one realm of life into another, you might say here. Crossing the bridge. If only that were true.